Dear students, now we are going to learn how to prepare a triangular prism. Take a piece of paper and fold this vertically. This is the style of folding. So we are folded and unfold it, and through this cut it this. So we will get two half papers. After getting these two half papers, keep one half paper side and take one half paper. One half paper you have to keep side, and second half paper take it, and this half paper fold once horizontally and make again one more folding. Means two foldings we have to do. It will becomes four parts. All four parts becomes equal. Please unfold it. Now see, I have drawn the first folding, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. When you fold two times, we will get four equal parts. And this top and bottom, this we have to fold it and attach top to the top part to the bottom part, so that it will get, you will get the stage 1 triangle. And here this is the triangular shape. Since this is triangular shape, we will call it as triangular prism. But here one side we will take as top, one side we will take it as bottom. So top and bottom are open. Now we have to close this. So in order to close this one, means to complete this figure, we have to close this. In order to close this, just take a scale and measure this base length. How much it will be? Now I am taking a scale. So when I measure this base length, it is becoming 6 centimeters. And almost this all three sides will become equal. So similarly, you measure this bottom of this shape. So it is 9 centimeters. So keep this aside and take the second half piece. So to cover the top and bottom of the stage 1, so we have second strip. We have measured the length of the base, that is 6 centimeters. So this width of this piece is 6 centimeters we are converted, and length is from here to cover the top triangle shape 6 centimeters, and this is the to cover the bottom of that prism 9 centimeters, and to cover this second side of the triangular shape 6 centimeters. And after drawing this one, from this corner to, means whatever we have taken second strip, that you have to fold into vertically. So like this. So it is easy to draw the triangle. Join from here to top center of the point. From here again, from second side also same, we will get two triangles. This will cut into the scissor with the pieces. So like that, one side we will get triangular shape, second side also to get the triangle shape. Almost both the triangles are equilateral triangles. Now what you have prepared with the first stage piece, so we are prepared triangular shape. So this you keep it in the 9 centimeters, because from here to here is 9 centimeters, from here to here is 6 centimeters. So on the 9 centimeters part, please keep this, and both the end points cover with triangular shapes. So now you paste the second piece to the first shape of this one. So this top and bottom, so both will be covered as a triangular shape. Since the base is in the triangular shape, we will call it as triangular prism. So this is the way of preparation of the triangular prism.